very happy evening to every one of you dearest souls gathered here. So as always, Yerkai Tunai, and with nature's blessings, we are starting off our session of today. We have myself, Desika Prabhakar, the founder and director of the Purpose Foundation, and joining from the same location today from Chennai is our COO Lakshmi. So we are very happy to catch you all amidst all the exam fever, rain fever, all fevers, everybody having fever, all this going on, but still you made time to come to the session, and we are so grateful. So today, as mentioned, we will be seeing about what has been done so far with all your projects and ideas, what we are going to do now, and how are things going to go for the finale. So as you know, you guys are the top 100 teams from our Hack for Purpose first edition 2024. So the top 100 teams after our live finale in Chennai had the opportunity to get support to convert their ideas into a minimum viable prototype. So we reached out to you after the finale to get you onboarded into the platform first to understand what you guys need. Then we had some amazing technical sessions of very renowned speakers who helped you throughout the process of idea validation, business model development, pitch deck preparation, and financials and budgeting. All of these technical sessions followed by domain specific sessions which you guys all attended particular to your ideas. So since you guys are focused on sustainable development goals and very many aspects of sustainability, we had specific domain sessions and expert speakers of those domains to cater to your specific projects, where they listen to your ideas and give you very specific inputs. So followed by domain sessions, we had some very eye-opening, nose-opening, mouth-opening session of live sessions, which I think was one of the best experiences we've had to give you, a real-time practicality of how the journey is going to be when and the time that you decide you want to be an entrepreneur and build your career in that way. So we learned a lot about the reality, the ups and downs, and all that is in store for a potential entrepreneur. So all these life skills, the psychology behind it, the mindset behind it, everything, we gathered insights. Now coming to insights, so after that is where the specific insight session curated to specifically just listen to you guys, hear you out. As you know, the Purpose Foundation is all about the purpose, which is you. You are our purpose, and your passion, your ambition is our mission, and that's what we want to focus on. So we give all the time there is to listen to your ideas and get a clear picture of what you guys really want to do in the product aspect, and as well as a background of your family, the life path that you want to take specifically to you and your team. We discussed everything in detail for each and every particular team of the top 100 teams. So we completed the insight session, and after that there were continuous updates and follow-ups to get the reports, to get your product converted in an MVP stage, to continuously sit with you guys, find you mentors and support to bring your product to MVP stage. So all these from the completion of our finale from June, that is from August, after July onboarding, August, we have started the support, and from August, September, October, November to now we are at December. For first of all, a big shout out and a big round of applause to each and every soul who stayed with us for all these months. So thousands and trillions and millions and billions of hearts for you guys. Yes, so all credit goes to you. Salutes and whistles and everything all included. You guys have been so amazing, no words. So absolute proud to the core for each and every one of you guys, because you have balanced so many things. There's college, there's exams, there's family, there's so many stuff going on, all your commitments, but still you made time for your dream and to take a chance on yourself, and you gave us a chance to support it as well. So thank you so much from the bottom of not only heart, liver, kidney, everything, which I usually say, all our organs, our whole team of the Purpose Foundation, we want to thank you immensely. So till this, your support has been amazing so far, and we also request the same till our finale, which is going to be December 12th. So December 12th, we are going to have our final finale. That is the finale number 2, the grand finale, where from top 100, top 10 teams are going to battle it out for a live pitching session in front of the investors. So this is what we are going to do in the finale. This is not only for those 10 teams. Like you may ask, like, why would I come only if the 10 teams are selected, right? But we have special awards for you guys. So we thought you guys deserve much more than the awards, but we are going to give special awards. Around 7 awards we have just decided for the top 100 teams. A few of them we have picked out, and we're going to give special awards and recognition to these teams and these team members. So it's going to be a very, very intense session where you can get insights from the investors across India who's going to be joining us, and you can see how the other teammates are pitching. You can gather insights, and maybe you have a chance to get the awards as well. So it's going to be amazing, and you have been with us so far. We really, really need you to also cross the finish line and help us to make this finale a grand success. So with this is going to be the first request of the day. So what we have done so far, we have just covered, and the finale, we are going to tell you what the finale is about. As far as request, again, we definitely want you to be there for the finale first and foremost. December 12th, 4 to 6 p.m. It's just a matter of 2 hours, 4 to 6 p.m. We are going to have the finale, right? So for the finale and before the finale, what kind of stuff do we need? As you guys know, top 100 teams, we have traveled together, and then there has been fine tuning. There has been a lot of training done, support done, and till November, we said that we're going to give you the support. So whatever we have done from August to November, right? We have 2 requests here as mentioned in the group. First thing is we request you to fill out the report which we have sent you in the group. Very simple, like easy to fill up sort of a form report only. It's not like you have to prepare 200 page, 300 page report or something like that. This is essentially to know how you have progressed throughout your journey. How do you feel about the support? What kind of support you've received, and what is your level of progress? What is the future support that you need? If we can also join that journey, we will be able to help you out. So the basic very simple questions for you to fill. Hardly, maybe if you sit, it will take about 15 to 20 minutes to fill up that Word document which we have shared in the group. I can also show it to you now in some time when we can discuss it out. That is that is the first request. Second being the feedback video. So you guys know that we are a big fan of you and your real-time feedback for sure, because we are just a growing NGO. It's been almost a year, and with your support only we have come so far. Literally nothing else. That we want to really, really just be a foundation that supports students' ideas, students' dreams, all that you aspire to be. We just want to support you guys. That's all there is to it. So with your feedback only we can improve. Only your feedback is going to help us to help many thousands and millions and zillions of students like you to actually bring their dreams into reality. So we really, really need you to just quickly record one feedback video. We would really, really, really appreciate it. No matter what the feedback is, as I said, even negative or positive, it doesn't matter. Everything is going to be very valuable. That is the ultimate. Whatever you say is going to be, very valuable, and we are going to change as much as possible. Take all your inputs and make ourselves as better and as worthy to support more and more students like you guys. So we need just 2 of these things to be completed. Once you guys complete 2 of these documents, we will be able to provide you a certificate of you completing this sort of a training and pre-incubation, as they call it, this particular session that you have done from August to November. the trainings that you have attended. So we will give you a UN recognized certificate of completion and final report submission, that once upon you submit the final report, we will be able to give you that certificate for each and every team member. So that itself is a value addition for you guys, for you to actually work on a product and prototype. This will also be very valuable when you apply for your placements as well. Apart from the initial participation certificate, this is going to be a complete training as well as mentorship certificate, particularly for your idea. So it's going to be super valuable when you go to your placements as well. Once you finish this report and the video, we will be able to immediately give you the certificate. That is the first part. So as I mentioned, you have to submit the report and you have to submit the certificate, and our finale is on December 12th, 4 to 6 p.m. So are you guys clear with these three main, crucial, important, valuable, all the important words, synonyms you can add here? Are you guys clear? Can you give me a thumbs up? Yes, awesome. Okay. I'm still going to put it in the chats so that chat. We're going to put it in the chat so that everybody can know. Okay, awesome. Everybody is very attentive today. Very good. Clear. Okay, awesome. Okay. So as you know, this is the final report that you have to submit for Hack for Purpose first edition, you being the first batch. So again, thank you so much for the whole journey and being our first batch. No matter all the hundreds and thousands of batches come, you guys will surely stay with us. This is not like how the teacher tells, every batch is special. This batch is truly special because you are the first the students, the souls that actually trusted us. You guys are super special for sure. Okay, so with that, we are going to go into the session. So first of all, team name, right? As usual, team members, how many of our members. So in case your teams have shifted from the first time, you may have other team members, then you may have other team members. You can put the current team members. Now how many people are there and who are there? You can just put the current team members, right? Your college, your location, district, as usual, project title. In case your project title is revised from before, you can put it below. So some of the projects we have condensed it from before, right? Since you have attended a lot of technical sessions, you are able to fine tune your ideas, make it more specific, make it more catered to particular group. So you're going to put in your old title on the top, and then you're going to put in the revised title if there is a revised title. Then you're going to just include about 4 to 5 lines, or even lesser also is fine, about the current idea that you're working on, the idea or project. Just a short description, right? Just what it is about. Like, I am building a particular solution for this particular problem. That's all. Very short description of your current idea, whatever you're working on currently, right? So then the progress. So as you have traveled with us from August to September, October, November, just one line you can write against each of the month. So for example, August, fully we were undergoing training sessions. So we attended we had training sessions, and that helped us to fine tune the idea. So in September, that will be in August. In September, you will put the fine tuned idea, like this is the idea we came up with. And then maybe October, you started to talk with some experts, do some groundwork, and collect some material in the internet, collect some references of competitors. Maybe you did that. November, maybe now you're developing your physical prototype, or you are developing your app or platform, and you are working to make it into a final like a minimum viable product. So this is some of the examples of how to go about writing your project report, and particularly this section, just every month, even if there is no progress due to exams, you can just mention it that you had exams and you were not able to have the time to work on it. No worries, we completely understand. Whatever you have done, you can just put it here in 1 or 2 lines. That should be fine. So this section, the next section, is going to be most important one, because this is the future steps of your project. So what are you going to do after this? So till November, we are with you, and we support it as much as possible. So what are you going to do next, right? So next, if the funding is what you want, then we are going to be there to help you with the funding. For that, we need to know your budget and everything. So for till now, you have a good idea about your idea. You have a very clear vision of what the idea is, because we have gone through all the training. So now you'll be able to have a better picture, since we also did the finance and budgeting session, right? You'll be able to make a clear cut budget about what kind of finances do you need going ahead. So once you give us that particular detail, we'll be able to help you mainly with the funding part, right? We'll connect you, we have platforms where you can fundraise, and we have people who can donate, people who can invest, so many aspects of this. You will also be, getting to talk and interact with investors, and today's speakers also who are connected with a lot of investors will help you with the pitching, all of these things only when you give us the actual budget what you want. So we will be connecting you with the right people, right? So this is a support that we can do now itself. When we finally get your report, we'll put you into our database and will continuously help you raise the funds. So that is the most important thing, right? So you're going to just write about what is the future steps. Do you just want to finish the prototype in maybe 2 months, and you want maybe so and so amount, 50,000, 70,000, whatever it is, for finishing this within 2 months? That can be the first thing that you can that we can help you with, and you can write it here. Immediate steps, right? And the long term steps. So you just want to make the product, sell it. You just want to make the product or technology for experience. You don't want to do anything with it, or do you want to patent it, or do you want to take it as a startup? So we have discussed all of this, right? So you can go on and put that as well. So you will be writing like our future steps and plans include that we are going to finish the prototype within 4 months, and we need this much amount of funds to do this. After that, we are going to sell this technology, and we need that help to sell. We need your help to sell this technology, something like that. Or we will just do it as an experience. We don't want to do anything with it, also fine. Or we are going to maybe patent it, or we are going to convert it into a startup. So whatever you need, just please, it will be probably either of these things. So please let us know whatever is your future plan. Then coming to the breakup, as we mentioned, so whatever description of materials you need, it can be maybe buying some software, some tools, or it can be buying some electricals or electronics for your prototype, some hardware, gadgets, all of that. So you can write the description, you can write the amount, and what timeline. So that is most important, right? So we're giving you, maybe you need 1 lakh, we can't give it to you right away. So that is the initial, like the total amount, but we'll give you in like breakups of different phases. So if you say in 2 months I want to make this part, then we'll give you for that part. So like that, how much amount and how much of timeline you want to utilize these funds. So if you want totally 1 lakh, you just put 1 lakh. But the breakup is that first you want to buy this particular hardware materials, which is about 50,000 means. So that 50,000 you will utilize within the next 3 months, like that. So you can put 50,000 3 months, then maybe 20,000 1 month, then maybe another 10,000 1 month, like that. You can give a breakup. So accordingly, we will also raise funds and release it to you. So this is the financial requirement part. So then coming to what you have learned through these sessions, if you can include around again 4 to 5 lines, we've also given you the link to the sessions, because you have been very, very, patient and gone through all the sessions, especially on the weekend. Every Sunday, Saturday evenings, you have stayed with us consistently and attended all these sessions. So we want to understand what you remember and take away from these sessions. Whatever you have learned, right? It can be 1 or 2 points. Please include those points. If you don't recall much, please go through the videos once, and then you can write 2 or 3 points. So then coming to the kind of support you would expect for our future students. So same like you, there are so many dreamers out there, who want to actually bring out innovative products that will really support building a sustainable planet, that is for people and for planet. That's what we always say. So they are going to also need some of your feedback. We are going to need some of your feedback so that we can help these future students in our upcoming batches. So please include few of the points that you think we can improve on. Maybe we need more mentors, we need more funding, whatever that is, that you feel like what more do you need from us, what more support do you need from us? Like maybe do follow-ups every day, do G meets every 2 days once or something. I don't know. I'm just saying whatever you need from us, then we will try to develop our infrastructure in that way. So then coming to the final part, what are the challenges or issues you face? So most of them were very, very supportive, but few of them really want to do something. But since there are so many commitments, so much of college work, you are participating in many things. So if you can mention to us what is the challenge, then we can try to accommodate it. Next time we'll try to take in your timeline and try to plan something accordingly. So that is one of the things. The other thing is some of them were not able to continue due to lack of support or lack of time, especially family. They didn't want to support your startup journey. It could be all these things. So we want to realistically understand why not be able to be consistent, or what kind of challenges you faced, so that we can try to support you better and handle things better, understanding your real concerns, real practical problems. So that is what we want to understand. So if you are doing multiple projects, if you're working on multiple hackathons, maybe you're not able to focus on one thing. So it can be anything. Please realistically mention one or two challenges. Last and final thing is the video. Please take few minutes to just record a simple video. We will definitely post your feedback. You would have already seen that we posted your feedback from our event itself. So this is going to be valuable, especially negative feedback we want to post, because we really want to take it as a very big motivation and very big input to improve ourselves.